To properly store the Everchill SRD 360WTG-ED refrigerator, you must first turn off the appliance. You accomplish this by opening the refrigerator door, locate the user panel, and press and hold the set button for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, the user control panel will display off by illuminating the number 2 and number 3 LEDs together, and the interior light will turn off as well. If the light doesn't turn off, disconnect the battery. Next, empty the refrigerator and dry out the inside of the appliance cavities. Then, leave the doors open for ventilation during the storage period. For extended storage and winterization, the battery should be removed and properly maintained. To bring your coach out of storage, just reverse the sequence by pressing the set button for 10 seconds until the number 5 LED illuminates. This represents the refrigerator being on. Now, go ahead and shut the doors and wait for the appliance to cool down. If your refrigerator doesn't cool down after 2 hours, you may need to perform a hard reset.